Hey waves, welcome back to Braids. Well, today Today I'm showing you guys how to do hairstyles with jumbo box braids. This is my little sister Brooke, and I did some jumbo box braids on her. It took me about 2 hours.
Style number one to the side.
So this is style number one. So you're gonna take the first row of braids and you're gonna bring them over to the opposite side. So like this. I'm gonna bring some to the front. Leave some in the back. Okay. And then I'm gonna take those same braids from the front and I'm gonna tie them up together. Now this one you can use, like, if you want to use one of those colorful scrunchies or scrunchies with prints to add like decorations, you can do that, but we're going to use just a plain black one. And voila.
I look like one of them ghetto girls. This is my favorite. I look like Shanae.
Alright. So that's style number 2. Number 3, we're going to take those same first roll of braids and we're going to put them up into a bun.